Hi and welcome to this demo session on Excel. Convert data to knowledge. This demo session is designed to make you understand the importance of this course as well as what is going to be covered in the actual course on Excel. And to start with, when we talk about data, today all organization you can think of, it can be a small startup or a big MNC. All the decisions which takes place in organization are based on data. You can't just go to your boss and say I want to take this decision. I think my gut feeling is saying this. The first question he'll ask is, why are you wanting to take this decision? What is the basis for this? Where is the data? Show me the data. That's the importance of data nowadays. Now if you understand what is big data, for instance, today everything whatever we do on our smartphone is being tracked. For instance, very intriguing to understand that so much of our data is being tracked by big companies like Google and Facebook. Google Maps is something which is their default on our smartphones, right? Even if you don't use Google Maps for your directions or something, still your phone location is being tracked by that particular app. Now the point is, we ourselves have given permission to Google to do that. One day what happened is I have traveled around 100 odd kilometers within the city of Bangalore, and when I came back I was interested to check what my daily timeline will look like on Google Map. You also try it sometime. So when you open your Google Map and check the daily timeline, on the map it will show the entire movement of you the entire day. It will show you the entire distance covered. Not only that, what is the distance you have traveled on your two-wheeler, four-wheeler, even it will show metro, BMTC bus and everything. Even if you have walked, it will show that this is the distance you have walked. That is the level of data being captured. This is what is called as big data. Now when I talk about big data and analytics, there are a lot of high-end tools which have come up to analyze the data. This is the entire different field of work and specialization. But on a lower level, if you want to work and analyze any data, one beautiful tool available to all of us is Microsoft Excel. Let me come to why learn Excel. So, number one, every decision today is data driven, as I've already told and explained using one example of Google Maps. Collecting data without knowing how to use it is a wasteful effort. Not many companies do it, but few companies do collect data from the customers, but they don't know how to use it. Let me give you one more example here just for the sake of understanding. Byju's, for instance, Byju's has launched a free app for kids from first to third standard. It's absolutely free of cost, and the app of Byju's, which they are targeting for the students from 4th to 10th or 12th, that is the paid version of their app. Why have they launched this app for kids less than that particular ages? See, that's the future thought which companies are having. That is the kind of long-term vision which companies are having. Now, this app is a wonderful app, early learn app from Byju's. Okay, I was very interested to know how is this entire app designed. So I have downloaded it, and my son is actually very young. He is not even in his first standard. But I started using that app, and wherever possible, I make my son also use that app. Within 3 days of me downloading and installing that app, I get a call from a representative from Byju's asking my feedback regarding the app. Now understand, I am not even the target audience for him right now. Even if my son is in first standard, it will take another 3 years for him to start using the paid version of the Byju's app. This is how they are using the data which they are collecting, right? Not only Byju's, in any organization this is being done, and it's very important. And how do you analyze this data? Of course, you need tools. For big data, there are huge softwares which are available. For a smaller version of data, it is Microsoft Excel. And as I said, the third point is most simple, common, and yet very powerful tool available to analyze and make sense of data is Excel. See what happens if it is a very small piece of information, say just 10 rows and 3 columns. You can do the calculation and analysis using your own, maybe manually or even using a calculator. When it comes to data which is a little huge, for example, your employees data, you have around 1000 employees and you are wanting to juggle with that particular data, you can't do it manually. And all the data, mind you, in today's organization, the final raw data which if you want to download, it comes in the format of tables, that is rows and columns, finally in the format of Excel, okay, either Excel, comma separated, CSV format, some format of Excel, and that's when Excel becomes very, very important. I hope you understand the importance of this course. Let me now quickly move on to the session plan of the course. See, in Excel, it is a huge software, right? So it is not as simple as it looks. It looks as if there are cells, there are columns and rows, some calculation to be done. No, Excel is very, very in depth. So it will be divided into two. That is, one is basic Excel and one is advanced Excel. Let me go through the session plan of both. I'm not saying you might understand what these terms are right now. Just go through it. I'm sure once you go through the entire course, you'll be able to really, really play with Excel and data like anything. All right. The basic Excel session plan will be, of course, we'll start with introduction and icebreaker. We'll get into rows and columns, tables, basic calculation and cell references, fill function, list, number and conditional formatting, understanding the basic formula in arithmetic, statistical formula, etc. Data validation, lookup and references, financial functions, auditing and macro. All this will be on the basic level. Filter, sorting, Goldseek solver, charts, split, free screens, tracking, protecting sheets. We'll have finally a session on queries and feedback where all your queries and questions will be answered, and of course you can give feedback on the course. We'll also have something called an Excel project. Now in this project, it is going to be a very practical application of all the learnings. You'll use all the things which you have learned in this basic Excel course, and you'll be conducting doing an entire project using all the learnings, which will actually act or help you in the real sense. This is the session plan for basic Excel. Let me quickly tell you the session plan for advanced Excel as well. It will start with introduction and icebreaker. We will have advanced formatting and data validation, lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and we'll also get into dynamic lookup functions here. Power pivot, Power View, creating dashboards, advanced macro and array functions, introduction to ASAP utilities, using cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. Queries and feedback, and of course we'll have a project on advanced Excel too. This is how the entire session is going to be for basic and advanced Excel. Let me just show you a very simple Excel sheet to make you understand what sense it makes to learn Excel. Okay. Now if you see this, okay, let me just go to one of the chapters here. Now if you see these numbers here, it doesn't make so much of sense as the charts make, right? See, there is a table here, month and sales, and there are a lot of numbers given here, but if you convert this particular data into something like this, a chart, that makes more sense. What is the sale for April, May, June? You are very clearly, you are able to understand that September has the highest sales compared to all the other months. Here it is not that easy to make it out. Similarly, there are many things. I am just giving you one example of how the use of charts help you in I would say presenting the data to management or for any kind of a presentation, right? So this was just to give you a introduction to what is basic and advanced Excel courses. I hope I am able to do it. I'll be eagerly waiting to see you in one of the live courses. Wish you all the best and happy learning.